How you doing, folks? Spike here, Frugal Fixer, learning to beat a frugal flyer. Got this Ruko U11 drone. Took it out this evening for the first maiden voyage. Y'all follow along. I got a few flights up and down and around and up pretty high, a little spin around, look at the neighborhood, and hey, I got it up and got it down without crashing it. So if y'all follow along, we'll see what goes on next. And yep, I got me that certification number so I can fly and be legal. So y'all watch out. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for joining me on my journey to see if I could learn how to fly. I guess we all found out one thing. Spike can get up in the air and get back on the ground, and he brought back all the pieces, and they were all in one piece when he got back, so that's a good thing. So, hey, follow along. Maybe next time we'll take it up and do something epic and beautiful and get some better footage, because this time I didn't turn part of the cameras on. I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll figure it out, but hey, I had a lot of fun, and that was a darn hoot. Now, I used to have to tell you, I used to fly radio-controlled airplanes, but never flown a drone. So it kind of all went around. It came back real quick. Okay, let's put it that way. So y'all be good. We'll talk later.